Hello dear all Indian pharmacist, welcome again to my YouTube channel WB Pharmacy. Today video topic is on pharmaceutics assignment. The assignment name is Overview of Extemporaneous Preparations at Community or Hospital Pharmacy versus Manufacturing of Dosage Forms at Industrial Level. In this video the number of points are included in this index are 7 point. Introduction, number 2 equipment and materials, number 3 reasons of extemporaneous compounding, number 4 practical options, and number 5 risks associated with extemporaneous preparations, lastly conclusion and reference. Please keep watching from first to last video. This video must help for on your project, and if you need more videos please check the description. You will get the all about pharmacy assignments.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.